Motorola recently launched the P30 with a wide notch, making it the first device from the company with the infamous cutout on the front. Some photos have just appeared on Weibo, revealing a phone with an even smaller Waterdrop notch and a circular camera setup on the back. The images raises more questions than gives answers since it says Moto G6 Plus in the about section, but we know very well the 4-month-old device has a regular tall screen. If real, the red device with a Moto logo on the fingerprint scanner will be the first of the company with that color. The dual camera setup is also unusual since it resembles the Moto G6 setup of 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel but with a different design. The third image reveals a phone with a standard wide notch, saying the model is Motorola One, meaning it can simply be a global variant of the Motorola P30 without the ZUI 4.0 borrowed from the ZUK smartphone that got discontinued. Our suggestion is to sit back and follow closely for further leak before claiming the phone and images are fake, but if they are real, it might appear that Lenovo is jumping on the notch hype train with the upcoming Moto G series. So guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts and views in the comment section below. And yeah, peace.